Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily transfer money from Monese to another bank account. So all you have to do is head over to Monese app, and from there make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the home page, you should be able to see a make a payment button. Just click on it. A new payment window will then pop up, and all you have to do is start by choosing the currency in which you want to send the money into, and also enter in your first name and last name and account nickname if applicable. Then once done, just proceed by clicking on continue. Also enter in the details of the bank account that you want to transfer the money into, such as the sort code and account number. Then once done, just proceed by clicking on continue. Next is just enter in the amount that you want to send, and from here you should also be able to see if there are any transaction fees. Then once done, just proceed by clicking on continue. And to finalize the transaction, just slide the button to the right. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!